Fun tip video to show you guys today. We're talking about filling up big buckets in small sinks. Check this out. Grab yourself a dustpan, regular old dustpan. It can even have the hole in the end. It doesn't matter. Hold up your bucket, put your dustpan underneath, and watch that water flow. Look at that! That's so easy! Nothing is getting spilled on the floor. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe how easy that is. So next time you're at a sink and you're doing the whole thing where you're trying to fill up as much as you can and then move the bucket, try not to spill any, just grab yourself a dustpan, put it underneath, and use it as a funnel.